Hello, everyone. I'm Brad Baker. Today, lying down under Environmental Justice Site number 1. With acknowledgement comes the possibility of respect. With respect comes the potential for understanding. Spoken by my microbiology professor when discussing the task of managing disease inoculum inside the closed system of a greenhouse. But yes, this is true, and across all human experience also, which is why we are here under beautiful native dogwood, Cornice, Florida, looking from the inside up. This is one of our most important fruit trees. Its juicy red berries are delectable to most all birds. First, the bees do their thing in the spring, and the fruit is ripe by fall. Then the birds come to feast and deposit their previous meal underneath. And voila! A little rain, a little time, and a tree is born. And since we are in the Children's Sanctuary Garden at TBI, I wish to show you the many baby trees born here this year. In front by the rock is an oak tree, and to the right of the screen also. And two larger ones there in front of the sign. And as I come down underneath the rhododendron and get down way low, we can see many. A little yew, the evergreen in front of me, and another one. To the right, a baby oak, and yet another one at the end of the screen. And an ailanthus or a walnut. And there's a sugar maple and a smoke tree in the pot. To see them is to acknowledge them. And it allows us to maybe even care for them. All through my career as a landscape designer, I've heard from government and nonprofits, which control most of our public lands, that yes, trees are good, but they are too expensive to plant. Lots of them. Yet here they are for free. Each is transplantable almost effortlessly. And if care is given to move each in its proper season, and watered the following year, a biodiverse forest ecosystem is doable soon. This lone dogwood tree incubates 15 to 30 trees every year. What treasures do you have in your landscape? And how do you protect them until they get to a better place? Environmental justice is just a series of infinitesimal tasks that allow nature to fulfill its destiny. And hopefully, we humans are allowed to guide its growth. But to whose benefit? It can be both. We will be exploring many other environmental justice themes soon. And this one concludes with an invite to a forum of landscape experts in February 2021, discussing how can we protect our trees? See you then.